Hi folks, and welcome to the second video in this lesson on adding images to web pages. This time, the goal is to add an image from another website without downloading it first, turning images into clickable links and adding caption text to images. As in the previous video, make sure you have the Foundation website demo and your index.html page open in Chrome and all three of your pages open in VS Code. On the Foundation website demo structure and presentation page, both sets of images have some caption text, so let's start by seeing how to add this caption text to your page. In VS Code, make sure you are editing page2.html. Locate the figure element containing the HTML5 and CSS3 logo images, then add a new blank line between the second image and the figure closing tag. Add in a new element, fig caption. As its name implies, this element is used to add a caption to a figure. Between this new element's start and end tags, add in the caption text. I've copied the text from the demonstration site to save time. Save the file and reload it in Chrome to see the changes. The caption should appear below both images. Looking in the developer tools, you can expand the figure element to see the new fig caption block element. In a previous lesson, we created clickable text hyperlinks to other pages. Links don't just have to be text. Many web page images are also hyperlinks, such as the HTML5 image on the demonstration site. So, with that in mind, let's connect the HTML5 logo image to a Wikipedia page on the subject to see how it's done. In Chrome, open up a new tab. In the search box, type in HTML5 Wikipedia and then press enter. Open the HTML5 Wikipedia result. Select the web page address and copy it with Ctrl-C. Back in VS Code, locate the HTML5 logo image element. Before the start of the image element, add a new anchor or A element. Give it an href attribute and between the quotation marks, paste in the web address you copied from the Wikipedia page with Ctrl-V. Add a target attribute with the value set to blank so the link opens in a new tab. Then close off the opening tag with an angled bracket. This line is starting to get extremely long. As noted previously, long lines can be hard to read and fix if there are problems. So, we'll put the anchor element and the image element on separate lines. Cut the closing anchor tag that VS Code created using Ctrl-X. Move the image element onto a new line by pressing enter. Add a blank line between the HTML5 and CSS3 logo images and paste the anchor element's end tag into this new blank line. Make sure everything is indented properly so the code is easy to read. The clickable part of a link is the anchor element's inner, the piece between the opening and closing tags. By having an image element as the inner, the image itself becomes clickable. Let's save the file and reload it in Chrome to see if this has worked. If all has gone well, you should be able to click on the HTML5 image to open the Wikipedia article. You don't have to download images to your website to use them. It is possible to use an image from elsewhere on the internet as a source for an image element. This is known as embedding. The digital marketing versus traditional marketing image on the demonstration site's homepage is an example of this. The image was originally sourced from the Malta Information Technology Agency, or MITA. So, we'll grab a link to it to use in our own page. Open up a new tab in Chrome. In the search box, search for MITA Digital versus Traditional Media and press enter. The article, perfectly balancing between traditional and digital media, should appear in the results. Click the link to the article, then wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, scroll down to see the image. Instead of downloading this image, we're going to copy a link to it. So, click the right mouse button on the image. In the context menu that appears, left-click, copy image address. Back in VS Code, switch to the index.html page. Insert a new blank line above the H2 heading element. Okay, so what is media? Add a figure element. Use the Enter key to separate the figure's open and close tags onto different lines. Add in an image element, add the source attribute, and paste the link to the MITA image with Ctrl-V. Close the image element off with a closing angled bracket, add a new line, and add a fig caption. You can copy the caption text from the demonstration site. Save the page when done, and reload it in Chrome. The image is enormous and it needs to be resized, so back in VS Code, give the MITA image a width attribute with the value of 500. Save and reload to see the difference. Let's review what was covered in this video. You've learned to turn an image into a clickable hyperlink. You've learned to copy the source location of an image to embed it into a page without first downloading it, and to add captions to images using the new fig caption element. Before moving on, make sure you've added the image to the index page and the captions to the images as shown in this video. Then, complete the activity to add captions and links to the other images on this site. In the next lesson, we'll start to look at formatting the documents. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk again in the next video.